In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in Slack huddles. If you need to walk a teammate through code, review a deployment pipeline, or show a mockup without setting up a separate meeting link, Slack huddles makes it really easy to do that right inside a channel or direct message. You can share your entire screen or just one app window, which is especially helpful if you want to keep the rest of your desktop private and organized. To get started, open Slack on your desktop app or use Slack in a secure web browser. Then go to the conversation where you want to start or join a huddle. This can be a channel or a direct message. Once you're in the right conversation, look to the top right corner of the Slack window and click the headphones icon. That will start the huddle or let you join one if it's already active. After you're inside the huddle, look toward the bottom left area of the Slack window for the huddle controls. In that control bar, find the icon labeled Share Screen. Click it and Slack will open a system prompt asking what you want to share. At this point, you'll usually see different sharing options near the top of the pop-up. One option is for sharing your entire screen, and another is for sharing a specific window. If you choose your full screen, everyone in the huddle will be able to see everything on that display, which is useful if you plan to switch between apps like your editor, browser, and terminal. If you choose a single window instead, only that app will be visible, which is a better choice when you want to avoid showing notifications or other background content. Once you've decided, click the screen thumbnail or application window you want to share. Then click the Share button or Allow, depending on what your system shows. After that, check for a colored border around the screen or window you selected. That border confirms your screen is now being shared live in the huddle. When you're done presenting, move back to the floating huddle controls and click Stop Sharing Screen to end the screen share safely. As a quick bonus tip, if you use Slack often, there are keyboard shortcuts that can speed things up. You can toggle joining or leaving a huddle with Control plus Shift plus H on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus H on Mac. And once you're live, you can toggle screen sharing with Control plus Shift plus E on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus E on Mac. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. The